Today I'll be testing 100 science experiments, starting with giant Mentos and Coke. Whoa! 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 It's still going.
Oh my God, that was a big pop.
But not big enough.
As time goes on, the other experiments in this video are gonna get way more insane. We have 24 hours to complete all 100 experiments, and the time starts right now.
So normally when you have a balloon and a nail, it pops. But not when you have a giant nail bed, supposedly.
I honestly think this is gonna pop.
No way. Are you serious right now?
How is this possible?
Look, even with thousands of nails, the balloon isn't popping, but that's the goal of our next experiment, to pop the balloons. I have one of the world's most powerful lasers that apparently can pop balloons.
I can't see out of these.
That's the point.
Oh.
This laser is super powerful. What? Last one. Come on. Goodness. Now it's time for ping pong ball explosion. Now it's time to pour the liquid nitrogen. Remember, do not try this at home. Okay, I'm gonna put this cap on. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm doing it, go. Come on, balls in fast. All right, the bottle is literally expanding right now and it's gonna pop any second. Exploded so high. Oh my God!
How are we gonna clean this up?
Now that we covered the ground, let's put something in the air. Oh! Look at it flying! Whoa!
We're gonna be doing an elephant toothpaste volcano.
Whoa.
Yo, that's pretty sick. This is actually insane.
It looks like lava.
We're gonna be doing one later on in this video, 10 million times the size. It's gonna be epic.
This is gonna be the biggest paper mache volcano in the world.
World record! Whoa!
This is gonna be massive. I'm gonna need some time.
Well, that's actually perfect, boys. Follow me. I got something for us. I'm hosting a science fair, and there's a ton of people waiting for us, but we need a way to get there. Check it out.
What the hell? Oh, what are we doing with the Tesla?
We will be charging the Tesla using potatoes.
We need potatoes, zinc, and copper.
And we need to do this over 1,000 times. Now we should be able to charge a Tesla.
These potatoes are generating electricity right now to these two wires. We've got a positive and a negative.
Potatoes?
Yeah, it's going. This is the future right here.
Potato charging?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Before we see if our potato charging method works, let's do a few other experiments.
We need a can and freezing water.
Whoa! Next we'll be using another can and turning it to plastic. But first we have to sand it. All right, we have let this can sit for a little bit of time. Now it's time to pull it out. Oh! The aluminum is gone!
Our solution ate up all the aluminum and left us with plastic.
Now to see if potatoes can charge a Tesla.
Okay, we have a blinking blue light. If it turns green, that means it's charging. Please. Oh! Now that we've charged the Tesla, we can go to the science fair.
There's a glass ceiling. I've never been in a Tesla before.
Speaking of Tesla, our next experiment is the Tesla coil. Anytime we get this light bulb close to this, it should turn on without being plugged in. Oh!
That's awesome. Whoa. Whoa.
I should also mention this Tesla has automatic driving. Let's try it out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
All right, it's about to make a turn. Let's see if we can do it.
Dude.
After testing out our futuristic car, it's time to see some more amazing experiments.
I'm gonna put soap on this little boat and we're gonna make it go super fast. And it should go.
It takes off like a little boat?
Yep.
Are you ready for the next experiment?
Oh yeah.
What are you making here?
I'll be doing cotton balls and milk.
Coke and Mentos underwater.
Testing if any of these substances will repel the glitter. The holy bottle experiment.
Play-Doh.
Should I be nervous?
Possibly. We're gonna make it blue.
We just put 7 holes in this milk jug. This toothpick, a regular one.
Nothing's happening. When I take this top off, it should go everywhere. Whoa! Whoa! What? Wow, this is actually real Play-Doh. That was awesome. This guy's smart.
That's super sweet.
I was not expecting that. That was sick. Whoa. Oh, I failed. Okay. All right, what's your experiment? A lava lamp. That sounds cool.
Look at the separation in there from the oil and the water.
Recognize some colors.
Look at that, that's so cool.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
All right, young man, what's this experiment?
I'm making slime!
Oh.
Okay?
That's so aggressive.
Need complete silence for my experiment.
I feel like we've aged up. We're now in the high school science fair section.
Test!
Yeah, that's definitely slime.
That is so cool.
Oh man.
I have to say, this is actually really cool.
I know.
For our next experiment, we're gonna see if we can send something all the way to space. While they're filling their space balloon with air, let me tell you about G Fuel. G Fuel is a healthier alternative to standard energy drink products, and they are sponsoring this video. Now, I know you guys have our Beam Team Shaker Cup, but how many of you have tried my friend FaZe Rug's G Fuel flavor?
I did it!
Right here! Well, that's actually perfect because we're using his drink as a counterweight for our spacecraft. 3, 2, 1, to space. Oh, it's going! That's crazy, look at it go. Okay, I'm gonna call FaZe Rug, this is crazy. You see that little white balloon way up there?
Yeah.
We're sending a chug rug all the way to space.
No way.
Yeah. Hang on a second, dude, and I'll show you a shot of it in space. G Fuel has over 50 flavors, including their brand new Dead by Daylight caramel apple flavor and, of course, chug rug.
Tastes like sour blue raspberries.
Using the G Fuel store finder tool, you can be sure to find a delicious G Fuel beverage anywhere, even if you're in space.
So sick.
Click the link in the description and use code BEAM to get 30% off all of G Fuel products.
Like, I would have never thought I'd be seeing chug rug in space.
We just made it back from the science fair, and as you can see, we made a ton of progress on our giant volcano.
This will be the craziest experiment we do.
The team still needs some time to finish the giant volcano, so we'll do that later in the video, but right now we're gonna knock out 20 experiments at once. This is Elephant Toothpaste Rainbow Edition.
Oh, what the heck? Wow!
Look at all the colors.
Oh my god.
That is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my life. Our next experiment is lava versus ice.
Okay, lava coming in. Ready?
Yeah.
It went from ice instantly to boiled water.
Next, we're gonna be powering our car with Coke and Mentos.
We're gonna be adding 2 packages of Mentos.
The way this experiment works is there's a balloon filled with Coke on the inside, and we're gonna pop it with a stick so it reacts with the Mentos and launches. Our next few experiments involve dry ice.
This stuff is freezing cold.
Whoa, it's literally bubbling.
Oh, I love that.
That's satisfying.
No way.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is insane. Next, we're gonna be doing a Coke rocket ship. Let's go! Yeah! Oh my god, it is way up. Oh!
I'm gonna make this dime shiver. Ooh, it's so cold.
All right, what's next?
Monster magnetic slime.
I feel like I have venom in my hand right now. Let's see if I can pick it up. Whoa. Oh! Our next experiment is floating cartoons. So all I have to do is draw on this plate. Now that I pour this water, the letters are gonna float. But before you see this experiment work, it's important for me to tell you that if you subscribe right now, you can win $1,000 just like this. Hello?
Oh, hi.
For being subscribed, you just won $1,000.
No way, thank you so much.
Oh, they're all floating. Look at that. That is insane.
I just turned my drawings into alphabet soup. Look at that, they're floating everywhere. There's the money symbol, there's the 1,000.
Subscribe for $1,000, guys.
We melted ice and now we're melting chocolate.
Mr. Beast chocolate bar, right here. Oh, it's on fire.
Oh! Mr. Beast chocolate's flammable, confirmed.
It's liquid fire. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We have done 99 experiments so far. It's oozing out still. It went so high. This is so cool. We just did 100 science experiments. That's it for this video. New videos every Tuesday. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you subscribe. Bye!